morning. Good morning, TV crew. We are back to side shot. I broke the camera, so the other wide angle camera is not working, and I hope this camera can catch me well, because this audio is quite horrible too. Hello.
Hi.
Are you working on the frame for the roof? How is everything going?
It's getting there. I think this might be the secret recipe right here. It's pretty close.
So while he's working on it, we decided to separate what we are gonna do. I'm gonna prepare the sidewall slats. I'm gonna do sanding. Mark will focus on the frame. I hope that today will be easy day, but actually a little bit disaster happened and we focused on our energy there, so we forgot to film that one. But there is kind of evidence I'm gonna show you. This is a frame Mark was working from the morning. You cannot see any bad things right now, but actually this wood, we glue it. We glue it because the measurement was way off. So yeah, just like we are trying to find the pieces, put it together, because we are kind of short of this wood. Yep, hopefully this will work. The other thing is like little small things can hold you for a while. This glue, this one stick with the cap, so we struggle 30 minutes to open this one. Oh, so has a problem. Man, today's not easy day, huh? It's like simple things. It's not going well. I don't know why. Because from today, Morocco border closed. That's the reason why. I think I found the reason. Previously, we had a problem, and this safety lock didn't align it well. So last time it happened, I just spin it and push the button and align it. It worked, but I think it's just inside is broken, so we have to tear apart and try to fix it. Eamon said it would be easy to fix, so we trust him. Yeah. So we are trying to put our frame, but you guys can see the still screws kind of sticking here and the other here too. So Mark got the grinder, so we are gonna grind it.
That is solid, baby. Done. Perfect.
Oh, 숨 좀 돌리자. We just put our roof temporarily. And then measured where is the kind of fan can go. So we put the one hole on the roof, and we just like drew in here, so it's marked on the fan. So from that point, we're gonna measure it, and we are gonna slowly cutting out. We gotta take off. The sun is setting right now, and then when the sun sets, it's really dark here. Good morning, TV crew. Today we are gonna do work on the roof. Mark is measuring inside where we are gonna drill it to the roll bars and where we are gonna mount it. And then I'm gonna do unfinished business, which is sanding, because yesterday I could only do like 3. So today let's work again. There's another Volkswagen. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Guys, we choose a wood. Let's see how it goes. Time to take down the one of the mud so that we can pull down the roof and put the slats. So I know we are gonna install again with the dry fit. So we are gonna really see how she looks like it. But anyways, let's work. Let's work. This is the finer versions of the roof slats, and we lined up and the marking the number is done, and this one will be cut off too because this one is longer than our roof size. Alright, we are making the drill. How can I say, like, holes so that we can screw it easier. So we are preparing that one right now. Sunny. Alright, it's too dark too. Guys, we just finished to put the slats right now. I'm gonna show you. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. I can show you from here. So underneath of this plywood has a Tubi original color, car color. We have to cut around the roof fan and edges a little bit. But yeah, we are gonna see after we just put on the roof. I mean, it looks great. We were kind of debating, like, we might need to change the background plywood color, do other colors, but yeah, it looks good.
Ready to go?
Yeah, good.
Good. Oh, you know what?
Oh.
This is gotta be the first. Put it down.
Okay. Let me get down.
Alright. Let's get it. Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. That's good.
Yeah, we're good this
Yeah.
time. Yeah, it's easy. Get the middle one in first.
장갑같이 스프레이한다. 야, 파리가 3마리나 있네. 안에 들어갔다.
Die there, sucker.
Guys, we put the roof. We're still putting it, but anyways, this is done. It looks nice. I'm gonna take the B-roll right later. You guys can see more. But anyways, thank you for watching video today. And if you guys have a pictures, leave the comment below. And I want to give a special thanks to our Patreon member, Tubi cruise ship members, and then other contribution too. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Bye. Ciao. Boom.